Bihar police is already in Mumbai and it has spoken to crime branch officials, Sushant's friends and his sister so far. The team is likely to record Sushant's ex-girlfriend's statement as well today. Meanwhile, Sushant's family is likely to file a caveat in the Supreme Court today opposing Rhea Chakrabarty's plea for the transfer of the case to Mumbai police. But at the moment, I'm joined on this broadcast by actor Payal Rohatgi. Payal, can you hear me?
No, I think the audio just got cut. But I hope you can hear me now.
Yeah, Payal, I can hear you. Yes, I can hear you very well. Payal, you must have, tracked whatever has happened in terms of the probe in the case in the last 2 days, particularly more and more details coming out about how possibly, these are all allegations from the family, Rhea exploited Sushant financially as well as emotionally.
Well, it's very shocking that when I read about the FIR which Sushant's father had filed against Rhea, and it was a direct attack, it was no bullshitting, it was directly calling out names, and I am feeling so good that he did that, because a lot of people were saying, even the close friend Sandeep Singh was saying that the family is not going to open their mouth. I think everybody has shut up because Sushant's father himself has filed this complaint. We obviously don't know whether it was actually an abetment to suicide, a reason for Sushant's death, or was it a pre-planned murder, because we are exploring everything, every cause possible. But here the Rhea angle is an eye-opener because it resembles a film called as The Gaslight, which was a 1944 film where Ingrid Bergman was apparently driven mad by Charles Boyer, the supposed husband of her film, because he was after the wealth of this woman. So the same thing can apply to Rhea Chakrabarty, because 15 crore is not a small amount, and transferring all that since the inception of her in his life is very, very manipulative move. Obviously running away with the laptop, jewelry, changing the staff, giving him an overdose of medicine, everything which is being written in the FIR by Sushant's father says that she is not what she is.
Payal, tell me one thing. Why should it come to a point like this when his elderly father has to, in fact, get a complaint and FIR registered in Patna to make sure that his son gets justice, the family gets justice? Why would his so-called friends from the industry keep quiet for so long? If the two of them had a relationship as open as this, then I'm sure his friends, his colleagues would be aware of it.
Yes, obviously his friends, his colleagues need to talk, but everybody wants to play it safe. Now, I'm not here trying to target any big person or get into news, but excuse me, when you're out there publicizing your film Shakuntala Devi, Vidya Balan, you want to still stick to the story that let's not talk about Sushant Singh Rajput. Why? Asking for a CBI inquiry is not going to, do any harm. It's just going to bring out the truth in open, whether it was an abetment to suicide, whether it was a suicide, whether it was a pre-planned. But you just want to stick to the storyboard, the narrative that Bollywood lobby is promoting, that he should be left alone. Why should his death be left alone? So that is wrong. That is unethical. And even apart from Ankita, I think nobody is really kind of vouching for the truth to come out. And I saw Ankita sharing her details, her WhatsApp chats with Bihar police, because yes, I'm following up the case. And I appreciate that, because you need to speak right now, whoever was close to Sushant.
No, but Payal, then why does it come to a point where Ankita actually is going to be questioned or would be sharing her WhatsApp calls and chats with Bihar police? Somewhere, do you think the Mumbai police lost the track in investigating the case for all this while?
I think yes, Mumbai police seems to have lost the plot. Now, I didn't want to target Mumbai police because I'm a law-abiding citizen and I'm scared the police might just go berserk and do something which is not going to be good. So I didn't want to target them. But now Sushant's father also said that he has not been given an update by Mumbai police since a month of his son's death. And now the way the things are being disclosed, that they had filed an accidental death report. They had not even filed an FIR against Sushant's death. So obviously the father went to Bihar police. Now he has to do what he thinks he has to do, because everybody has to answer their own conscience.
Absolutely.
So yes, Mumbai police is under Maharashtra government, and Maharashtra government stand we all have heard.
No, Payal, I just want to expand on the point that you raised a short while back. You said that, there is a tendency of playing it safe. Where does this tendency of playing it safe comes from in Bollywood, in your industry? Is career above justice? Is that the impression that we should take from the current circumstances?
Yes, obviously, career is above justice. Nobody talks. Look at let's go to the past. Mamta Kulkarni's career was finished when she talked about a certain director. So either you never talk about casting couch, you never talk about nepotism, you never talk about Bollywood mafia. You obviously ended up talking about Me Too movement because it became a, international movement. Otherwise, imagine women talking about Me Too movement and targeting directors like Sajid Khan. They would have been laughed off by the so-called mainstream media. Because I attended a debate yesterday on your channel only, and there was some lady from Mumbai Mirror. She was like laughing that, excuse me, we stick to the facts, and the facts say that the Viscera report shows no foul play, and the postmortem says asphyxia due to hanging. Excuse me, postmortem says death due to asphyxia. The postmortem has not said that it is due to hanging. So here
All
these
right.
people make a mock, out of everything.
All right. There you go, Payal Rohatgi. As always, no holds barred interview to Times Now. Thanks very much for speaking to us. And with that, we are also taking